Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we're doing a really simple pastel blocks mani using my new collection called Pastelle-ish. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. So the first polish from the Pastelle-ish collection is pinkish. It's a light, creamy pink. The next one is purple-ish. Again, a very light purple. And then we have light bluish, and then a lightish green called snot-ish. And then the orange is called carrot-ish. Now, as you can see, I've started off with a white base. Now, don't forget to put a good quality top coat over your base colour before you start putting any striking taper on your nail. You'll also want to make sure that you wait until it is completely dry, not just a little bit dry, but actually completely dry. And then you can section your nail using the striping tape in whichever way you like. It's up to you. I just happen to be feeling like doing blocks for this one, but you can do it obviously you can do it any way you like. I'm not a dictator or anything. So once you've done your sectioning, you want to choose your colors. In this case, I am using the Pastelle-ish polishes from my collection, which by the way is on the website now. Links will be in the description box down below as per usual. So I'm using a fine detail brush and I'm just painting in the blocks with the polish. It's really quite simple. You don't need me to talk you through it. It's really simple. I did do something very similar to this a long time ago with sort of the primary colors, red, yellow and blue, and I forget the name of the artist, but there was an artist that used to do not nail art obviously, but used to do like wall art with primary colors, and like he'd block out he or she, I'm pretty sure it was a bloke, but I used to block out or make these kinds of designs, but for your wall sort of thing. So I just thought it might be nice to try it for in a pastel sort of range. I'm gonna need to find out that guy's name. I do know it, but I cannot for the life of me remember it right now. once you've finished painting, you can go ahead and peel off your striping tape. You want to do it as quickly as you can, and you do really want to work as quickly as you can because you don't want the polish to completely dry before you pull the tape off. Just try and remember what order you put the tape on, and I literally do this every single time. I always forget. But you try as much as you can to remember which order you put it on so you can take it off in the opposite order. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup. For those of you who don't enjoy this process, please skip ahead now. For those of you who do, enjoy. And finally, once your cleanup is completely done and your nail art is completely dry, you want to seal it all in with your favourite top coat, as per usual. And that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I hope you give it a go, and please go to the website, check out all of the other collections. There's 3 of them that are in packs of 5 and a few of them are in packs of 3, and then you can also purchase some of them in singles. So just go have, just go and check it out. I'd really like to know what you think of them as well. So by all means, come back to me, tell me what you think. Alrighty, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, chickies.